From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, today, tomorrow, typically very historical days with respect to winter in Acadiana. Look at the record low on this day back in 1899, 6 degrees above zero. That's the coldest temperature ever recorded in Lafayette, and it was more than a century ago. And by the way, in 1895 on the 13th and 14th, the biggest snow on record in Acadiana, and anywhere between 10-14 inches of snow in Lafayette, upwards of 20 inches of snow in rain. So we're missing out on that winter weather window, and I don't see any winter weather anytime soon, but we will get colder again this weekend. But we have a warm Mardi Gras for you, so let's get into it and talk about it, show you what's going on with respect to the upper level pattern. We have two weather makers on the way, one out here in New Mexico. That's going to be heading generally off to the northeast, but it's already energizing the subtropical jet stream. It's going to shoot some showers our way, but the big weather with it's going to be off to the north and northeast. And then this next weather system, that's going to be our Thursday system. That's going to dig down and move a little bit closer to us, and that's why we'll include the risk of thunderstorms, maybe a severe weather threat come Thursday as well, so we'll have to watch that. But meanwhile, right now, showers across the Texas Panhandle. We have snow at elevation back to the west, and look at all the winter weather watches, high wind warnings, winds gusting 60, 70, 80 miles an hour all the way back through California. The winter storm warnings here, and already you see the winter storm watches and warnings in the Pac Northwest in advance of that next system that is coming in. For us, though, already starting to see the high clouds spreading across the region. That trend will continue. Kind of see some stars through those high clouds, but not much. The clouds will thicken overnight tonight. The breeze will stay stout enough overnight. That's going to keep our temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 50s to near 60 through daybreak tomorrow. Then the pressure gradient packs as that low pressure system bypasses us off to the north. But that's going to be allowing for a windy late morning, afternoon hours. And then we'll have scattered showers moving through the area anytime from noon into the afternoon hours. Not looking like we're going to see a whole lot of weather, maybe a fifth of an inch of rain, just a little rain, and then that system kind of stalls over our region. We have to keep some showers in the forecast early Wednesday, more than we're showing here. And then by Wednesday afternoon, another breezy one for sure. Temperatures well into the 70s. Here comes the next weather system, not showing a whole lot early Thursday, but as we mentioned on our earlier weathercast, the storms will get cooking right around midday, and then they're going to be pushing eastward, where more than likely the severe weather threat is going to be mainly toward eastern Louisiana into Mississippi should one develop, and it probably will develop and be more of a severe weather maker into Alabama as well. For us, temperatures tonight, though, in the mid to upper 50s. Tomorrow we'll top out in the lower 70s. Tomorrow night, closer to the mid 60s, so it's going to be mild for sure, and then mid 70s as we head into Wednesday, and much the same Thursday. Cooling, though, as we head into the weekend. Those winds, though, you're going to notice, set your clock by, you're going to notice, wow, those winds are just picking up right around 10 o'clock in the morning. They'll be sustained at about 15 to 17, but we'll see gusts in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range. So here we are first thing in the morning. Notice how we get a lot of the yellows and oranges. That's where there's going to be much higher winds. For us, we'll be in the 30 to 35 mile an hour range. For our friends to the north, you get into the orange, you're in the 40 to 50 mile per hour range. So much windier to the north, but you'll notice it here locally as well. So overall, milder night ahead, 57 the overnight low with that southerly breeze continuing and the clouds increasing. Those clouds thicken tomorrow during the morning, and then as we head into the afternoon hours, a few passing showers. Will go 71 the high. Chance of getting wet at about 60%, and that's going to come in the latter part of the afternoon into the early evening hours when we should see some showers moving into the area, mostly light to moderate showers. As we move forward, we have those rain chances Wednesday, but not a washout of a day. Few strong storms possible Thursday midday on, and then as we finish out going into the weekend, a winter chill returns, and then going to Mardi Gras, look at this, we're coming in with 80 degrees for a Fat Tuesday. That's it for weather for right now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.